Good, y'all. This is Polar, and this is an FL Studio 20 how to make a drop tutorial. And I'm using this beat as an example about simple ways you can make a drop. I leave it good, I leave it, I leave it good, I leave it good, I leave it good. You can see cymbals are an important part. So cymbals can make a transition.
My name is Matt Lane, still in the rap game.
And then hit them with the hats too, like if you're gonna transition like that. See how that works?
I can't rhyme all the time, do it all the time. Make these videos as I rhyme, as I cry, as I dine, as I look fine. Bang!
Using cymbals as like a transition is pretty common. And then you're also gonna see the type of transition I did here. I went from cymbals to snap, and you'll hear how that goes. This is just a snap right here, simple snap. You see how I did like a little variation at the end just to like throw people off. See how that goes? Pretty cool, pretty easy. I want to just make a super easy tutorial for you guys, just to throw out like simple theory, because I feel like people try all types of different things to make a drop. But like if you're gonna make a drop, I mean, it's not that complicated, and it doesn't need to be that complicated. I mean, that sounded like kind of like a normal beat, you know. There wasn't any crazy effects or anything like that, just cymbals, and then you know, maybe using your mind and thinking of a freestyle or whatever, like while it's going on, can help the process. Even if you got to record a freestyle, I mean, just to get used to it, because it kind of helped me think of like how this drop would work. You know, that one's done. Hit him with that little rest. Hit him with the snap transition, and then bang. Like, let's hear this part again. This part is really how you do a drop. Like, you could have started the beat like this and then like gone in right here as well. Although it's the end of the beat. Oh yeah, so I basically replaced the snap with the snare. And where is the snare? I don't even really know. Is this it? Yeah, this is snare. I leave it good. Check out the channel rack too. I mean, nothing crazy here. I leave it. And I'll play this one more time and then I'll end the video. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys have any more questions about how to make a simple drop, leave a comment in the comment section, or if you have any other tips or advice. But I mean, like, what more do you want, you know? Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.
Make these videos as I rhyme, as I cry, as I dine, as I look fine. Bang!
I leave it good, I leave it, I leave it good, 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 I leave it good. Snap, snap. And yeah, transitioning to the 808, I mean, it's simple. Just adding all your instruments and kick. See, there's no kick during this part, etc., etc. Thanks for watching again, guys. You guys are the true heroes behind this tutorial, and for that, I thank you. Peace out.